Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the pulse oximeter is ready. Check the battery level and replace or charge if it reads under 20%. Next, clean and dry the finger you will use and remove nail polish or ring so light can pass. Once done, turn the device on and wait for the screen to initialize. You want the display to show a steady baseline. Then gently insert your finger fully, pad down so sensors align. Hold still while the meter begins detecting your pulse. Once your finger is positioned, sit comfortably and relax. Small movements or talking will disrupt the sensor, so keep still. Make sure the finger pad is centered between the light emitter and detector. If necessary, slightly adjust for a clearer signal. Also, maintain a normal room temperature since cold fingers can reduce accuracy. Then watch the display. The pulse and SpO2 numbers typically stabilize in 10 to 30 seconds. If values flicker, pause for another 10 seconds and keep breathing calmly. When readings settle, read and record the SpO2 and pulse rate. Say them aloud if you're keeping a log. Then remove your finger gently and turn the unit off to conserve battery, storing it in its case at room temperature. If the oximeter shows an error or unstable values, try a different finger first, index versus middle, and recenter the pad. Make sure batteries are fresh, and if fingers are cold, warm them or rub to increase blood flow. This fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.